Hey guys, my name is Mitch Mears. I'm a business development manager for BOMAG Americas in Ridgeway, South Carolina. That's where we are here today. Today we're going to be covering our BM 600-15-2. It's one of the smallest mills, utility mills in our fleet. Today we're going to cover the water tank, the water system, the variable cutter system, and the load conveyors and the feed conveyors. So they have three choices there, so let's go check it out. Okay guys, one of the key benefits, features to the mill is the ease of operation of checks from the ground. So this is how we check a hydraulic tank. And this is how we fuel from here, and what you guys are going to ask why that's important. So this is our diesel fuel and our depth fluid fuel. But what's really nice about it being swung low like this is when it's loaded up on the trailer, you have easy access to do it at the end of the day or at the start of the day. So this is the water tank, okay? This is a 160-gallon water tank with two fuel systems on it, okay? So you can fill it from either side of the tank. This is one that would be switched out to a cam lock, so you can cam lock your water trailer or your water truck to it. The other advantage of our mill is all of our daily service checks are done from the ground under one compartment door. I'll show you right here. It's got a 143 horsepower Deutz engine in it, Tier 4 final for the US, Stage 5 for Europe. So we're going to engine oil check down here, oil fill as well, coolant level check, air filter if we get into a service situation or we feel like we need to change it. So the other advantage we have to the BM 600-15 is our swing out leg and swing in leg. It's currently in the swing in position. Okay, this takes one simple process. Sit the drum down, lift the leg up, pull one actuator pin right here, swing the leg out, put the pin in. That's for any like abrasive cut or any slope cut, anything like that. When the leg's swung in, okay, it allows us to have a flush cut up against a building, a curb, or around a manhole cover so we can actually see our stop and start points. Okay guys, the other advantage of the BM 600-15 is we have a variable cutter system on this mill, so it allows us to do several different things with different sized drums, okay? So the main part of that is we don't have to unhook anything electrically or hydraulically. Okay, we take these 6 bolts out here, lift the mill up, this whole door swings open, okay? Then we would have another drum sitting here with a counter bearing on it. We would take 2 bolts out, 1 large bolt, 2 small ones, take that drum out, put the other drum back in, go back to our scraper bar in the back, or detach that to whether it's a 19-inch or a 12-inch scraper door, depends on which one we're using. On our inside here, we have our start points and our end points marked. Okay, so in milling, okay, the front of your drum is the end of your cut, the rear of your drum is the start of your cut. And it marks in 2, 4, 6, and 8 is your final depth. It's a total depth of 8 inches. Hey guys, the other advantage to the BM 600-15, okay, is the 3 conveyor options. So we have 3 conveyor options: a folding, a long folding conveyor, a long conveyor, and a short conveyor in case you want to load into a skip loader or to a skid steer, something like that. It's got 3 easy hook points, 1 on each side of the conveyor down here, 1 hydraulic hose, 1 move, 1 electrical move. Simply set the conveyor down, take your safety chains off, and walk away from the conveyor and go to work. Okay guys, the other handy part of this mill is underneath our steps is a toolbox. This is where we store our machine tools and also our cutter tools. Kind of a good thing. It's always right here close, handy so you can get to it easily, okay? So this opens and shuts, it locks for night cut storage. Sit down the top, shuts like that, and we're ready to go up on top. Let's check it out. So we just covered the toolbox and the steps, and now we're up in the operator's platform. We're just going to cover some quick controls. They're very intuitive and easy to operate. So here's going to be the drum switch control, the blade control, the steering, and the F&R lever. So that's going to cover the BOMAG BM 600-15-2 BOMAG mill force. Okay, so we covered some great features and benefits. We covered the water system, the cutter system, the conveyor system. So it'd be a great asset for any small utility cut, any in and out patch, anything like that you could use it for. The conveyor comes on and off easily. It's a great asset. So if you have any more questions, please contact your local BOMAG dealer or see us at bomag.com. Thanks.